Believe me, I'm Ice MC, and this is the remix.
This is the remix. This is the remix. This is the remix.
Is it to remember? Is it to remember?
I have to tell you something, man, I'm gonna amaze you with the Supersonic style, the king of the craze. The DJ plays with the records and he says he wouldn't like to go back to the early days, cause now is the boom, the hip-hop sonic. Everybody wants a chance to get on it, but I'm here already, I'm here to remain. So you gotta get with it and feel the same. If your system is whack, then you should hear. If your system is whack, then you should hear.
Is it to remember?
If you ever get the fever, you know I know the kind of problem you got. Can adjust the record, what's it? Watch out, break, don't rock. Fever on the floor when you're rocking a jam, and if it's not in your body, go home and say damn. Come on, breathe, and you used to do it. Damn on the phone for it, then do it.
Easy. Is it to remember? Is it to remember? Easy. Is it to remember?
Gone to the store to buy a jumbo that I like, and then I looked into my pocket so the money wasn't right, and so I stopped and I was thinking just what to do.
Is it to remember?
You've heard of rock and all that junk, but it's time we started listening to hardcore funk. You got trouble funk, the man James B, who are down on there to stay in music history. But on the other side, music hip hop, Houdini and Flash, they started to drop a new kind of style that was really explicit. Get closer to the speaker and let's get with it.
Easy. Is it to remember? Is it to remember? Is it to remember? Is it to remember?
Believe me, I'm Ice MC, and this is the remix.
Is it to remember?
Michael!